Hi, this is Jitendra Gupta from Mumbai. I am a spiritual billionaire coach and I help rich people become spiritual and spiritual become rich. From last few months, I am a part of Kewal Kishan's business automation program. Before joining this program, I was having certain challenges in my business. For example, when I was delegating my work to my team, there was no system on keeping a track of what work has been delegated, what work has been done, when it has been done. There was no way to show them which one was priority, which one was high priority, which one was medium priority, which one was low priority, and keeping a track of them. That was missing. Second thing was all my documents, lot of things, my videos, my documents, lot of things, they were all scattered at different places and they were not very well organized, due to which lot of time would go waste in finding out the document when it is required. Now, after joining and implementing some part of Kewal Kishan's business automation program, now the task delegation to my team has become very smooth. With one of the tool, I am able to delegate the task and show them which one is high priority, low priority, medium priority. I am able to keep a track on what work has been done, when it was done, which is pending. So that has made a lot of ease, because now I know what is done, what is not done, and they know what is high priority and what is low priority. Second thing is, with one of the tool of Intranet, now everything within my business is in one place and all my team members know from where to get what document without they having to ask me and referring back to me, and that has again saved a lot of my time, which I can focus on growing my business. So I would recommend all the business owners, especially those who are to SMEs, solopreneurs, small business people, who want to organize their business and who want to scale their business. So this Kewal Kishan's business automation program will definitely save a lot of your time, keep things organized, and make a big difference in your business. So all the best. Thank you, Kewal, for all the support and all the wonderful thing that we are doing. Thank you.